Shaju Boxing checking in. This here is Errol Spence Jr. versus Ugas at 147. This is the following fight after Daniel Garcia and his second fight after the car accident. I enjoyed this fight, of course, because of his relentless pressure and going to the body and just breaking Ugas down. Ugas had some good moments in this fight, landed some clean shots, but just couldn't keep up the pressure and the consistency of Errol Spence Jr. Few things that I noticed now watching the fight, especially after his loss against Bud, was that he looks a tad bit slower from, maybe before the accident or just a tad bit slower this fight. And his way of fighting, we love and all enjoy, but was not the way he should be fighting his following fight after this. But tell me what you think. I still like this fight and like to watch it. But comment, like, subscribe.